Hey guys, today I have for review this HYCHICA Jig Saw. So I'm gonna open it and test it out to see what's inside and to show you how it works. Okay, so I have this box, its case. It seems to be like really durable and like comfortable in the hand. So I'm gonna open it, and here we have actual jigsaw, inspire, manual, and like those some like extra tools like measure thing, and those things as well. So there are like 6 of them. There's different sizes, and I don't know like what's the name of it, but still, here we go, those blades. Alright, so okay, let me figure out I don't know how to. There we go. Now just easily connect it to here. So I'm gonna plug it in and show you how it works. Yes, you see it works great. I have those pockets here for those blades, and on both sides I have that like speed change here, and then I have that thing in here as well. Yeah, this is like the quality seems to be like really nice. Yeah, it's really sits like really cool in the hand, and I hope it's gonna cut everything like really easily. Here we go. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have any garage, and I don't have any like pieces of wood to show it to you, but looks like it's like the quality is like it's really nice. So, and it doesn't smell like bad, you know, like a plastic or something. Yeah, like the quality seems to be like really good. Here you go guys, thanks for watching. Alright, see ya.